In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share games on Steam and play them at the same time. This is a fantastic feature for families or friends who want to share a library without having to buy multiple copies of the same game. So, let's dive right into the process, ensuring that you can make the most of your Steam library. First, you'll need to open Steam on your computer and log into your account. Make sure you've updated Steam to the latest version to avoid any compatibility issues. Once you're logged in, head over to the upper left corner and click on Steam in the menu bar. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. In the Settings menu, you'll find a panel on the left side. Look for the Family option in this panel and click on it. This section is where you'll specify which accounts can access your library. You'll notice a checkbox labeled Authorize Library Sharing on this computer. You should click this box to enable family sharing. Once you've ticked this box, you'll see a list of eligible accounts that have logged into Steam on your computer. These accounts are ones that can potentially have access to your library. Simply check the boxes next to the accounts you wish to authorize. This allows these users to have access to your game library. Now, it's important to mention that while you're enabling sharing, the person you share your library with must also log into their own Steam account on your computer. If that isn't possible, they can authorize your library on their own computer using a similar process. This requirement is crucial, as Steam ties family sharing with physical devices for security reasons. Once authorized, your friend or family member will be able to see your library when they log into their Steam account on their own device. They can download and play your games, which offers a great way to share the fun without duplicating purchases. However, one condition to note is that only one person can access your library at a time, so plan accordingly if you're sharing your games. If you both want to play different games from your library simultaneously, each person will need to ensure that the games operate in offline mode. To activate offline mode, simply navigate to the top menu, hit Steam, and select Go Offline. This setting allows both users to play without connection restrictions. To wrap up, remember to communicate with your friends or family to manage game time if you're sharing a library. By following these steps, you can share and play your games without any hassle. Thanks for watching, and happy gaming!